Especially when we get warmer and windy days like we're going to be expecting for Thursday. Going to be the warmest day of December, at least so far. And I expect rain and wind will come into the area, especially late Thursday. So enjoy early where we climb quickly into the 50s. Now, wet roads going to be the impact and then turning much colder into Friday. And a word of caution out there Friday. It could turn slippery enough on some sidewalks, driveways, and untreated surfaces, especially the parking lots, that you need to watch that step out the door as we get into Friday morning. So here's the winds picking up by daybreak, starting to gust 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, the worst of the winds not going to be till late in the day. We're looking toward or after dinner time. They're going to be gusting to about 35 to 40 miles per hour. Could briefly reach about 45 miles per hour as that cold front crashes into the area. Then it turns us much colder as we get into Friday. We are in the 20s and low 30s right now. We're going to rise after midnight as the storm system approaches. And here it is on radar, making its way, whipping across the northern plains. Rain and snow up into the Dakotas, where they actually have high wind warnings and blizzard warnings up into the Dakotas. We're much quieter across the area right now. Calm conditions. We've actually dropped back to 25 degrees. This is as cold as it's going to get now because a warm up begins after midnight. And the new data is still showing that we could be even trending warmer tomorrow afternoon, reaching it at the mid 50s. And up next, chance for a white Christmas continues to fade away because the wider, longer term outlook looks like much warmer than average weather will be working in toward Christmas week, so be prepared. That chance of a white Christmas is near zero as we get into next week. And beyond that, not only Christmas Day, but beyond that, toward the end of the year, warmer than average conditions. We're likely to flip December very quickly toward warmer weather for the second half of the month. Now, here's the rain chances. Now, focus on this. Dry much of the morning tomorrow. It's going to be late afternoon. We get rain showers into the area. Front itself actually comes through well after dark. And here it is. You're going to see it on the map right there. That front rolls through 6 to 8 p.m., perhaps as late as 10 p.m. east of Toledo. Then we get whipped with a little bit of snow on the back edge of that front as much colder air plunges into the region. Let's look at the 10-day forecast. Highs are going to be approaching the mid 50s in some areas Thursday. We plunge back into the 20s on Friday. Still going to be brisk and breezy. Right back toward 41 on Saturday. And then next week toward Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we warm back into the 40s. It could come close to 50 by Christmas Day.